performing Governor of Lagos State. Getting the spiritual and physical support of the whole of Igbos in Lagos State. Presented to us here for re-election. And by the grace of God, come next Saturday, the prayers of the people shall hit heaven and Mr. Governor will be re-elected. And come 29th, he will be sworn in as another term as the Governor of Lagos State. Thank you.